Hello. Today we'll be taking a look at how to get the direct deposit plugin from Atomic Financial set up inside of Banno. The first thing you'll need to do is connect with Atomic. Before we can begin, you'll need access to the Atomic console and be configured in our backend systems. Reach out to Atomic via our email address, banno@atomicfi.com, if you haven't gotten set up yet. If you're ready to go, visit console.atomicfi.com to ensure you're ready to proceed. Once you're set up in Atomic Systems, you'll need to go to the Banno people to begin the next step. Navigate to the Settings section's External Applications page, seen here. These screenshots may have changed a bit since this video was recorded, but the functionality should be the same. Okay, so on this page, you'll need to fill in some details, all of which can be found on the Banno page in the Atomic docs at docs.atomicfi.com/Banno, this page here. Starting at the top, fill in your name, the name of the plugin, which will be Atomic Financial Plugin, the client type of confidential, select Require PKCE. This is a feature which we use in the backend connections to provide a maximum amount of security. For the link type, which is down here a little ways, select Plugin Card in the dropdown. Link title will be Direct Deposit, and user type will be All. This is the end of the first step to configure the external app inside of Banno people. However, leave this tab open. We're going to need to add some details from the Atomic console to complete the external app. In a new tab, browse to the Atomic console at console.atomicfi.com. This will take you to the Tasks page. But inside the navigation bar at the top of the screen, you should see your financial institution's name. I've created Banno Bank, which is a test bank that I'm using for building this plugin. This console is where most of the configuration for your Atomic instance will be stored and accessed. We'll release more videos and documentation touring the functionality of the console in the near future. For now, navigate to the Settings page. On the Settings page, you should see a Banno option in the bottom left-hand corner of the left navigation bar. On this page, we'll need to enter some details from Banno people, and you'll be able to grab some details which Banno people will need from Atomic. So in the External Application Configuration section, you will enter your client ID and client secret. Those can be accessed from the Banno people app in the External Application page under Client ID here and Client Secret here. For Client Secret, if you scroll over, you can click the eye icon, which will unmask your client secret for you to copy, and then paste here into the Atomic console. Next, you'll need to enter your environment. This is the URL your customers use to navigate to their dashboard inside Banno. For example, we can see https://digital.gardenfi.com. This is the URL which I use for testing out the installation I have for Banno. Enter your URL here and click Save. Next, you'll need to grab two URIs from the Atomic console and add them to your Banno people external application, which we're building. As you can see here, the order of these URIs is important, so please be sure to copy and paste them in the order that they're displayed inside the Atomic console. Copy the first URI. Navigate back to your external application in Banno people. Scroll down until you see the Redirect URIs section. Paste the first redirect URI here. Scroll over. Click Add to add another redirect URI. Now we head back to the Atomic console and copy the second URI. Back to Banno people, and then in the second redirect URI field that you've created, that's where you'll paste in the second URI. These are important for configuring the Atomic backend with the Banno people plugin. Lastly, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom and click the Enabled Pet Radio button. This controls whether the Atomic plugin is added to your user's default dashboard. The last thing you'll need to do, since we've created the external app inside of Banno people, is to create a plugin inside of the Banno people app. Navigate to the dashboard configuration and find the Create a Plugin button. That will open this page. Fill this page out with the details as follows. The title will be Direct Deposit. This is the name of the plugin which your customers will see in their dashboard. The description will be set up your direct deposit to your account by connecting your paycheck using Atomic Financial. This is displayed to the customer on their organized dashboard Add a Card page. In the external application dropdown, you'll click and select the external application we just finished creating called Atomic Financial Plugin. For the initial height, enter in 172. This sets the height for the plugin card. In the icon dropdown, select icon-circle-$. Finally, and very important, delete the text that is in this label optional field. This field controls whether or not an additional button is shown to your users underneath the plugin card, which we do not want. So please remove any text that is in this field. Okay, and when you're ready, click Available to Everyone. This will enable your newly created plugin for all your users in their default dashboard. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please drop us a line at banno@atomicfi.com and be sure to visit docs.atomicfi.com/banno to see the full written out steps that we just went through. Thank you and have a great day.